Hi, very welcome to my YouTube channel ProBuild. So in today's class I'm going to teach you this model. So actually this is very simple model for all the 3D learners who are going to start with this PTC Creo. They must follow all the steps what I'm saying in this video. Actually this is very simple. If you just do follow this complete video step guide. Actually I'm going to start this part from this top view. Actually it's given the external circle is 66 and inner circle is 60 in diameter. So I'm going for top view, go for model, extrude and change this to 2D and draw two circles. One is 66, another is 60, and it is extruded up to 72. So I'm going here and going to change this to 72 and click OK. Now we can find here the diagram. I'm going to draw this part, this smaller piece, and its dimension is given here, and from top it is 20 and its total width is not given, but the reference from center line to that edge of that piece is given as 45. So I'm going to choose this plane, go for extrude once again, change this to the 2D view and hidden line, switch off the plane. Now you can find here the inner thickness, so make that reference and this one and even the top surface. So I'm going to draw a line connecting in midst of the thickness and draw a straight line connecting that. Okay, and you can find this is 20 as mentioned, and this width I'm going to select from center to that edge and change this as 45. And now it is actually extruded up to 10. Just go for symmetric, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to extrude for 10. Here you can find it's extruding outside, so I'm going again for edit, change this inside. Okay, change this to 15 or even less. So just be sure that it is behind this inner circle, so that it don't come outside. So now we can see that. Okay, so this is all done. Okay, now we can find the round as R6, and here they have R6 on both sides. So also they have given hole, and it's it's actually 4 in circles diameter. From here it is 41. So again I'm going to this sketch and in placement go to edit, draw one circle, dia 4. So from here is going to be 41. Sorry, has gone somewhere else. This is 41. And its vertical location is at the mid, so I'm going for 10. Just click OK. It's all done. Now I'm going for round, so make it R6. So select this, so it's all already fixed, so no problem. So have made this. Then I need to take a slot here. Actually the slot's diameter is actually 2 mm and it's from this quadrant. So I'm going to switch on the plane, choose this plane and go for extrude, and switch over to this section, flip section orientation. Here I'm going to flip sketching plane. So now we can see that spool piece here. So we can go to this 2D view and change this to hidden line and switch off the plane. Now I'm going to draw a center line so I'm going to draw a corner rectangle. So from here it's going all the way down. The hole is from top till 22, actually 20 plus 2, 22. So going up to 22. Sorry, this must actually go down. So now with this I'm going to draw another line connecting this profile. So draw one center line here, so I can just go up with it. So can draw an entire circle here and clear all these segments. So my profile is formed. Here I'm going to change this to 2. Now click OK so that it comes opposite side. So just pull it all the way up and remove material. So this is what given here, right? Yes, this is the slot that I needed. Now my final action is going to draw this square piece at very bottom of that cylinder, hollow cylinder, and its data is given here. My rectangle is going to be 44 into 30 and it is up to the surface, and my location of that is, from here it is going to be 20. Okay, so switch on the plane. So opposite to this piece I'm going to select a plane, go for extrude. So just make sure it is opposite side and switch off the plane display. From here I'm going to draw one center line. From here this is going to be 20. So just make sure it is 20. Yes, 20. And go for center rectangle, draw one rectangle, and this is going to be 44 into 30. This is 44 and this is 30. So I'm going to draw this final part. So just before drawing it I need to offset the plane here from the center distance. My edge of the plane is going to be, this part end is going to be 37. So I'm going to offset my plane to this 37. So select this plane and just pull to this direction, change to 37, and using this plane go for extrude, change the view. So just make sure that it is going correctly. So I'm going to draw a center line here. You can find here this is 44 into 30 and from this bottom it is 20. So I'm going to offset this to 20. So draw one center rectangle. So this is 44 and this is 30 and this is 20. Now just click OK and go up to surface and click the surface so that it gets merged to this cylinder. So it's all done. Now I'm going to make round. So this is R4 around all four edges. So just go for round. So just click and change this to 4. I have done. Now click OK. Now switch to shading with edges. Now here you can find one hole. Actually it's going through. This is 4 holes plus a bigger hole is actually 21, and it is having chamfer of 0.5 into 45. So just click here, switch on the plane, just go for a hole. So touch this plane, and in shape I'm going to change the hole size, and it is actually 21. Change to 21 and go for placement. Here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to plug one to this mid and another to this plane. So from here it is 20 and another is going to stick on to this. So see, this is aligned 21. So now click OK and go for chamfer. This is actually 0.5. So okay, good. I just don't want to go for chamfer because for remaining 4 holes also I want to put chamfer. So let me first put the hole size is given here. Actually this is here's 4. Yeah, it is dia 4. It is M4 actually, so it's dia 4. So I'm going to select the surface and go with extrude. So just before going to extrude, I want to go for hole. Since this is standard hole, so just go for standard, change this to ISO M4. Select, I'm going to select M4 into 3.5. So now I want to give my location. So I'm going to select this plane, and another is from this bottom. So from center it is 36 divided by 2, and from bottom I'm going to add up the material. So from here this is going to be somewhere like 11. Okay, so from center I need to make. So this is 30. So in placement this is 36 divided by 2. So another is going to be 31. So I just fixed it after calculation. I'm going to click OK. So my standard metric hole is ready, but it is not going that much outside. So I'm going to pull it away and click OK. So it's all done. Just click on this hole, go for this 3D mirror, select this plane and click OK. Now I'm going to offset this plane to 20. So just go for plane and click this plane. So from here I am going for 20 and click OK. So I'm going to click on this hole and even this hole and go for this 3D mirror and this mirror even this and click OK. Now my final touch is making all the round surfaces. So this is R2 actually and chamfer in and around. Also you can find here this is okay, so no problem. Go for round. So click this edge, change this to R2 and click OK. So this is all done. Now I'm going for chamfer, change this to 0.5D. So chamfer all the edges as possible. So my part is ready. Switch off the plane display and access. So thank you for watching my video, guys. So please do subscribe my channel. I'll be teaching you all the things from basics to advanced.